This dramatic footage shows the moment a plane crashed into the drag strip of a racing club in Iceland, killing 2 of its 3 occupants. The footage captures the aircraft, a Beechcraft King Air 200 air ambulance, smashing into the tarmac and bursting into flames. It was filmed in August 2013, but only broadcast for the first time this week. Staff rushed to the scene of the crash with fire extinguishers to try and put out the flames and save those on board. Miraculously, one of the occupants of the plane survived.